We're out here in the 10th Gen Civic Project FC3. A lot of you guys are very familiar on what's been going on with this build, but if you're new around here, like me, we're gonna go over a little recap, figure out what's been done, how it feels, and what we got planned for what's next. Intake, exhaust, handling. We've gotten about as much as we can out of the stock turbo, but the car feels really good. I can see why people like these things. It seems like a good platform for sharp handling, and with the HKS suspension, it really wants to be on the track. We've tried a couple big turbos for this, but we haven't quite found the perfect one just yet. We're really close though, so keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, I've been staring at this suspension system ADS problem on the dashboard, and we have a solution for that. So I think first thing, we'll go and take care of that, plug it in, one less check engine light, and then I gotta say, since we're not tracking this thing, let's put those BC coilovers in and stop gritting our teeth every time the road gets a little bumpy, because we want to keep this front lip on. It looks really good. HKS includes this cool little module with the Hypermax coilovers that will delete the warning light off your dashboard when you install them. We're going to dig around under the panels and find out exactly where it goes. So the module does install where we thought it did, in front of the driver's side rear wheel. It's tucked way at the back of those panels, so you have to remove the rear seat. A couple of side panels, you can pull them out. We didn't remove it all the way. I was able to reach back there and snap the connectors off with one hand, reassemble everything. A little piece of Velcro to hold that module in place so it's not rattling around under the seat. So, pinchy grabbies, squeeze and pull, lets you bring the seat up. And there's a cheeky 10 mil bolt right here that you'll need to remove on one side. All right, Fonzie this thing back into position. Make sure your weather strips are lined up. Don't cross thread your seatbelt bolt, and snap the seat back in place. That's about it. I had a ton of fun ripping around in the FC3 today. We did finally get the dashboard check engine light deleted. That's always a relief because I don't want to be looking at that all the time. The HKS coilovers perform fantastically, and they're even better on the track. If you haven't seen the track day video, click that thing, get a watch going. Don't forget to subscribe, because coming up next, we're gonna be putting in some BC BR coilovers. These things have been getting amazing reviews. They're super streetable, super adjustable, and affordable. We haven't put a pair in one of our cars yet, so we're gonna get them bolted up and tell you how they feel.